Well, that's a very long story, I would say, but just to be, precise and make it brief, I played a very critical role in transforming an ordinary organization, which was in a loss-making status, to be one of the most enterprising and formidable forces in the logistics industry, which later on went on to be probably among the top 5 international transportation companies in the island. Of course, I was a key member and leading a team. Of course, was honored to be a part of that team. It was definitely a team effort, I would say. Employees look for trusted and empowered employers. Recognition and also being rewarded. And employees also look for being coached. They want to be coached, mentored, and developed. I would say these are the main 3 areas that employees would look from a good employer. Well, I would say retaining staff in the logistic industry is a big challenge, but at DPL we have a very structured calendar, I would say, in terms of giving priority to staff engagement activities, because it's important to be engaged with the staff right throughout, from day one until the business exists, for us to retain the most skilled, talented staff in the organization. So what we have done at DPL is to formulate a program in terms of activities, staff engagement activities, which is done in a very structured manner. And right throughout there will be activities engaging staff, from motivational programs to team building programs to get-togethers, gatherings, and also very extensive training programs as well in terms of developing staff. So that is the staff engagement, I would say, is on top of the list. And we also have programs like succession plans, where we have a very strong leadership pipeline built, where we give the staff also the comfort and also the knowledge and also the training to be the leaders in the organization. Then also we also have very extensive recognition and rewarding schemes as well. We recognize staff for their outstanding performance and also reward them. In addition to that, we also have a policy where we try to promote within the organization. Instead of getting people out from outside, we try to promote people within the organization, so they are also given an opportunity. The good performers are given an opportunity to develop their careers with the organization. I would say positive attitude would be the first attribute to a successful career, especially in logistics, because the logistics industry is a very complicated, complex industry with a lot of challenges to overcome. Attitude, then after attitude, it's passion. You need to be passionate about what you do. If you're not passionate about what you do, don't do it at all. And hard work and consistency. Hard work needs to be consistent. You can't decide to be working hard one day of the week and rest the rest. You need to be working hard right throughout, and it has to be consistent. Supply chain management is all about flexibility, adaptability, and thinking out of the box. It's a very complex area where we meet quite a lot of challenges, experience quite a lot of challenges on our day-to-day work. And logistics is a part of that which will help us to really strengthen or smoothen the process of supply chain management. But in terms of challenges, it varies from the point you pick up the goods from the supplier until it reaches the end consumer. It's a complicated process where there are so many stakeholders engaged in the entire process, and the slightest thing could really take the entire process to a different dimension. The challenges that you face today could be unique to today, but the challenges that you face tomorrow would be totally different. So it's a matter of being flexible, understanding the challenges, being flexible, adapting, and thinking out of the box. It's not magic. It's all about using your common sense and designing a solution, designing the answer to meet the exact circumstance that you face on a day-to-day basis.